A lifestyle of luxurious living. With the bustle of Singapore's premier Orchard Road shopping belt, moments from your doorstep. Welcome to Singapore Home. Today we are going to bring you a rare opportunity to stay at the heart of Prime District 9, in an upscale residence at Kopar Newton. Kopar Newton is a leasehold development, and it is going to be stipulated for completion in 2023. The developer of Kopar Newton is CL Development. It's one of Singapore's leading real estate developers. Some of these prominent projects include City Vista Residences, Bishan Loft, and even the suites at Central and My Manhattan. The Kopar Newton sits on a substantial land size of 250,000 square feet. Kopar Newton consists of just 2 towers of 23 stories, with a total of 378 units. This means that there is plenty of space for premium facilities that is rare for condominium in this area. 30% of the land is used for residential purposes, so as to make way for the remaining 70% of the land for landscaping and communal facilities. Homeowners and guests are greeted by a luxurious driveway which leads to a grand concierge with a magnificent chandelier. Once you get past the chandelier, you will notice that the Kopar is divided into 3 zones: Vita, Aura, and Stella. First, we have Vita. It represents life and vitality. It is the activity zone of Kopar, and it is brought to life through a range of facilities such as the 50 meters infinity lap pools, kids play area, gymnasium, tennis court, and many more. Aura is a sanctuary for wellness and personal time. Here, you can escape to another world to restore, recharge, and rejuvenate your senses, while in the comfort of your own personal space. The facilities here include the hot and cold spa, hydrotherapy pole, massage room, and many more. The last zone is Stella, which means star. Like the star of the night, Stella captivates and mesmerizes. This zone takes care of the social aspect. Homeowners can host, mingle, and impress their guests here in this majestic clubhouse. It has a grand lawn, a piano lounge, wine bar, and gourmet dining. There's even an al fresco dining area if you prefer. Kopar Newton is located along Kampong Java Road. However, it will have its address as Makeway Avenue, and that's where the main entrance to the condominium will be. When it comes to location, being close to an MRT station has always been the top priority for every prospective homebuyers or investors. Hence, you will be happy to know that Kopar Newton is just a mere 3-minute walk from the Newton MRT station. It is also an interchange station that serves both the North-South MRT line and the Downtown MRT line. Commuting to city and downtown locations such as Orchard Road and Marina Bay will only take you 20 minutes or even less. For drivers, the Central Expressway, CTE, is closely located to the condominium. Despite located within a private residential enclave, Kopar Newton is still located relatively close to a few shopping malls and amenities within the precinct. Homeowners and their families can look forward to the multiple entertainment options that are easily accessed from Newton MRT via the North-South line to reach shopping malls, such as United Square, Velocity at Novena Square, and Novena Square. United Square Shopping Mall is approximately 700 meters away, and should take you around 9 minutes or less to walk there. Supermarket chains such as NTUC Fair Price and Cold Storage are within a 10-minute walking distance from Kopar Newton. You can simply make a quick trip down to purchase any last-minute home needs and daily groceries. For the foodies, rest assured that the neighborhood is dotted with cafes, eateries, and even the famous Newton Food Center. You will be glad to know that the Newton Food Center is literally right across the road from Kopar Newton. You can walk over to the food center through the side gate of Kopar. It's where you can find some of the most delightful local delicacies in Singapore. Kopar Newton is closely located to many prestigious schools, ranging from kindergarten, primary and secondary level. The reputable Anglo-Chinese School Junior is a mere 5-minute walk from the development. Other schools such as St. Joseph's Institution, Anglo-Chinese School, Primary, Anglo-Chinese School, Barker, Singapore Chinese Girls Primary School and Eaton House Preschool, Newton. The bedroom types range from 1 to 5 bedrooms. Each unit enjoys efficient and functional layouts. Every home also has branded kitchen appliances and a smart home system. Right now, we are in the 3-bedroom deluxe unit. The size of this unit is 1,055 square feet. The layout is efficient and functional, and it is a very comfortable living and dining space. The kitchen is an enclosed kitchen with glass panels, so you can check at your guests or children while you're preparing meals. The master bedroom is a spacious layout, and it can fit a king-sized bed with enough space for you to still move around in. This luxurious and spacious master bathroom comes with quality finishing and ample storage. This is one of the 2 common bedrooms. Both of the common rooms are spacious enough to fit a queen-sized bed. The common bathroom is luxurious and comfortably sized. In summary, Kopar at Newton offers prime district living at rare attractive price points. It is extremely convenient, and is literally minutes away to the Orchard Road shopping belt. It is also near to sought-after prestigious schools and institutions, and also near to a range of amenities. If you're looking for a property for your own stay or for investment, the Kopar at Newton is definitely one you will not want to miss. If you're interested to know more, do contact us.